Of representatives passed a wide-ranging package of gun control legislation in the wake of these recent mass shootings we've been seeing here in the U.S. The legislation passed the House after hearing emotional testimonies from those survivors and families who lost their loved ones in the string of mass shootings. NBC's Bree Jackson shares his tragic story with us at this hour, and we do want to warn viewers that some of the testimony is graphic.
Door between our classrooms.
Emotional testimony from victims of mass shootings.
Shot my teacher and told my teacher goodnight and shot her in the head.
Fourth grader Mia Cerrillo appearing by video and recalling the horrifying moments a gunman entered her Texas elementary school. Out of desperation, the 11-year-old played dead to survive.
I thought he was going to come back to the room, so I grabbed the blood and put it all over me.
Thank you, Chairwoman.
Uvalde's only pediatrician describing the horrors he saw.
2 children whose bodies had been pulverized by bullets fired at them, decapitated, whose flesh had been ripped apart, that the only clue as their identities was a blood-splattered cartoon clothes still clinging to them.
Heartbroken parents say Congress must take action against gun violence.
To some people, to people with money, to people who fund political campaigns, that guns are more important than children.
The moving testimony not necessarily moving Republicans on gun reform measures.
I think it's a mistake to infringe the Second Amendment rights of law-abiding citizens.
Bipartisan negotiations continue over proposals including red flag laws and increasing school security.
Do you feel safe at school? Why not?
Because I don't want it to happen again.
And you think it's going to happen again?
Lawmakers are aiming for the end of this week to finalize negotiations.
Your thoughts and prayers are not enough.
Families sharing stories of heartbreak hope their testimonies change minds and federal laws.
We are staying on top of the latest developments out of D.C. and to see what Congress has planned next, head to our website 11alive.com.